back to the channel, you guys.
Hey everybody.
We're Steve and Audra. We travel full-time in our self-converted Ford Transit camper van, and we have arrived in Portland. We're pretty excited to check things out, including this lighthouse right here. Point Ledge Lighthouse is the only caisson-style light station in the United States that visitors can walk to. This type of lighthouse is built on top of a large metal or concrete, hollow, cylindrical structure that is sunk into the seabed and filled with material like sand or concrete to create a stable foundation. This design allows lighthouses to be built in deeper water or areas with soft sediment. This design is often referred to as a spark plug lighthouse due to its shape.
This is the Point Ledge Lighthouse in Portland, Maine.
This lighthouse was lit in May 1897. Prior to its construction, numerous ships ran aground on Point Ledge. After several needless disasters in the 1800s, funds were finally allocated for the construction of the lighthouse. The new white brick tower, perched atop the cast iron caisson, had 4 interior floors. In June of 1951, after 100 years of planning, the Breakwater was finally completed, joining the lighthouse to the mainland.
Boy, I'm not gonna lie, it is a bit nippy out there today. Yikes.
Oh, it's definitely gotten a little bit colder in Maine. It was cold out there. My ears are cold.
Little Black Riding Hood.
Here I am. Look out, I'm trouble.
Please pardon the interruption. We just wanted to say thank you for clicking on our video. It means a lot to us. Each time you view our videos, YouTube shares a few pennies with us. It may not seem like a lot, but every view adds up. So please continue watching our videos as they come out. If you like what you see and want to help us grow, here are a couple easy ways to support us that are absolutely free to you. Shop our Amazon store. You're already shopping on Amazon anyway, so why not shop through our link? It costs you nothing extra. Buy your gas using Upside. This free app gets you cash back on gas. It's easy to use and saves you money at the gas pump. Join using our code and you'll get 15 cents per gallon bonus on your first purchase. Thereafter, you get cash back each and every time you use the app. Lastly, if you got money burning a hole in your pocket and in addition to the above want to really help us out, join our growing list of patrons today. Thanks in advance, and without further ado, here's today's video. Thank you.
All right, now we're at another lighthouse called Bug Lighthouse.
Portland has 6 lighthouses within a 20-minute drive of the city. Back in 2020, we visited the Portland Headlight, which was beautiful, with great views. And today, we just checked out the Point Ledge Lighthouse, which was pretty cool. And now we're going to check out the Bug Light. And I think it's as cute as a bug. Bug Light is officially named the Portland Breakwater Lighthouse. The present lighthouse was constructed in 1875, replacing the old one that was opened in 1855 to help ships at sea locate the Portland Breakwater. This is really pretty. It's got really neat architecture. The structure's architecture and unique style were unaltered through the 1875 reconstruction, and its unique Greek Revival style was preserved.
Very circular.
Imagine that. Over time, there was less need for the lighthouse, and it was decommissioned in 1943. However, the light was fully restored in 1989 and was reactivated in 2002 as a historic spot. Its nickname, Bug Light, is due to its small size. I can definitely see why that name has stuck. It really is as cute as a bug. Steve's back in the van making some dinner, starting to make some pizzas. I came out to see the lighthouse at sunset. The sunset wasn't so great as far as the overall sky and backdrop for the lighthouse. But it is beautiful back here for the Portland skyline. Very beautiful and cold. And it looks like we have the sunset cruises coming back in. And now it is time to get back to the warm van. Ooh, it's chilly out here. Brr.
On the menu tonight, pizza. Nice.
All right, back in the van. Feels really good in here. Steve's made some pizza. Now I gotta make mine. How's your pizza? Pizza night. I'm making mine with some extra love. All right, we got the sauce and the cheese. And then Steve pre-cooked some pepperoni. Since it's not going to be baking, I thought that would be better. Make it a little bit crispier. This pizza made in a pan is actually not too bad. Who needs an oven?
Home sweet home. So we're back at a Cracker Barrel this morning, and it's kind of like visiting an old friend. How you doing, old buddy?
Portland is the biggest city in Maine, and when we drove through here in 2020, we didn't have much time to explore. So there's a lot we'd like to see. We've got several places marked on the map, and we're hoping to get to those later. But first, we have some mundane things to do. Steve's running into Walmart to get some groceries. While he does that, I'm going to put some finishing touches on our video that we've been working on that we're planning to post tomorrow for our YouTube channel. We've got some more errands to do. Probably go to Panera for a while to get some work done, and then we're going to explore. Do you come bearing gifts?
Walmart delivery.
Very nice.
It's a new service they're offering here at Walmart. Most importantly, they had water.
That's good. We needed some of that too.
Yep. I scooped it right out of the toilet.
Nice. All right. Well, while we go into Panera to get some work done, Miss Kitty Girl's going to hold down the fort, aren't you, little girl? She's really good at that. She's an expert at holding down the fort.
All right. Well, since it's football season, I guess it's fitting that we have to call an audible. We tried very hard to make Panera Bread work, but their internet is spotty at best.
Yeah, we were really excited to have a Panera that we could go to, but like Steve said, it was just horrible, and I had tons of work to do, and I really needed internet. It kept kicking us off or just not working, so thankfully there's actually a library nearby that's opening here in a few minutes. We're spending way more time trying to work this morning than we had wanted to, but it's part of life.
East toward Foden Road.
So at least Steve got his free coffee, or kind of free, from his Sips Club membership.
Yep. Just a reminder, if you would like to see us work less and play more, now's a great time to join
Patreon?
And
You've been really plugging that lately.
Yeah.
I think he wants to spend less time at Panera and the library. Anyway, hopefully we'll have enough time to explore more of Portland, but we gotta go try to get some more work done. Here we go. So with the nature of the kind of work we need to do, which requires a lot of internet occasionally, it's just easier for us to find a spot to work, such as the Panera or library. Also, a lot of that is just because of power. We don't have a lot of power in the van, and we can do some work in the van, but it only lasts so long with a single charge with our computers, and then we have to charge using our battery, and this is always a constant balancing act. Today the sun is out, so we probably could do more work in the van, but yesterday it was a little cloudier, so we were getting low on our power supply. But it's just something we have to keep in mind, and it's just easier for us to find a place like that to work. So that's why it's so important for us, and that's what we're doing.
Take the next left onto Oakwood Drive, then your destination will be on the left.
That's a first.
what's that?
It's a library and golf course combined. What?
Just in case you get bored working,
What?
you can go play some
No
golf.
No, what's today? What does that sign say?
Oh.
So I just jumped out to go and try to reread that sign. I think what they're saying is that the days the library's open, that people golfing can't park in the library spots. There's some designated for library. This is the craziest thing. Portland's a big city. It's got a library combined with a golf course. That's crazy.
Yeah, that's a bit odd. Hopefully it's got the things we need. We need a place to set up our computers, power, and reliable internet. Let's hope.
And then we can play a round of golf when we're done if we want. We love golf. We got some work done at the library. We never get all of our work done, and we always are there longer than we expect. But we're leaving, and now it's time to explore downtown Portland. So here we go.
In 1,000 feet, turn right onto Westbrook Street.
We've arrived downtown, and we're just checking out the parking situation. There's a few options for free parking, trying to figure out how far away from everything we want to park and what we have to work with. Look at this fun street. I think we have found a free spot not too far from everything. I'm gonna go outside and just check the signs to make sure. I think we're good. All right, kitty. You gonna check things out? See if you like Portland. Does Portland taste good? I know, I bet she wants a holy donut. We'll have a little salad before we do our exploring. Sometimes it's just easier to get the pre-made salads. Do you feel like a rabbit right now? Is your little nose twitching like a rabbit?
Gotta get fueled up for all our walking.
This is where we're going to leave you today. Join us next time as we explore Portland, try a unique donut that's popular in the area, visit a fish market, and wander around Old Port. Don't forget to drop us a comment to let us know you're watching, and hit that like button if you've enjoyed it. You can connect with us and see my photos of all the locations we visit on our Facebook and Instagram. See you next time.